Hi guys, welcome back to CodeMind. Carry here and hope you guys are enjoying our series of C programming on our channel CodeMind. So the guys who still not subscribed our channel, please subscribe our channel, right? So let's start with the next thing, that is the enumeration in C programming. And in this video, we will talk about the complete explanation of enums, right? And how we use that, why we use that, and what is the benefit of enum, right? So to understand the whole topic of enum, I request you guys to please watch the complete video, right? So let's start with the enum. So enumeration is basically a user defined data type, right? Where in which we create a set of integer constants, right? So why we use that, and what it makes our programming simple, right? So enum is a keyword which is we use into a C programming to mention a enum variable, right? And in this enum variable, right, here is our enum variable, we have this separate constant value, right? For example, if we want to club a year's month, right, in 1 2 3 4 5 6, that is impossible, right, to remember that okay, July is which number of month into a uh, calendar year, right? So, like November is the 11th month, so it's very difficult. So if we use enum, it makes our job very simple, right? So how we can use that? So we will see uh, in our program, right? So let's start with a new file where we will check the all functionality of enums, right? So let's see, and we will try to debug some code, right? So here we have a hash include stdio.h, right? Then we have a void main, and void main we have this thing, and we need to use a enum, and in enum we have a this thing right here. So one thing we need to keep in mind that we cannot assign a non-integer value to a enum, right? Because it is a rule of C programming that the value of enum variable should be like a constant of integer, right? For example, we have a Jan month, then we have a January, Feb, then we have a March, then we have a April, then we have a May, then we have a June, right? Then we have a July, then we have a August, then we have a September, then we have a October, then we have a November, then we have a December. So you guys can see this is our whole enum here, and so by default what will happen in enum, the 0 will be assigned to this gen. This will become automatically 0, 1, March will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, right? So you guys can see here, like for example, if I want to print like printf value of Jan in enum, right? So what will be that? So automatically it will be percentage %d only because we have integer, right? So you can use the long int as well, right? So depends. So Jan, right? So we will print here a slash n here so that we can, and we have like we will take 2 3 like things, right? So we will have like a value of April also, so that we can use that to PR. And then we have a duplicate, then we have a December. So we will try to understand the functionality, what is the structure of enum here, right? So that is that here. So I am going to clear this thing now. So I am going to gcc-o object file enum, right? Then we have a enum.c. So I compiled, I got an error because why? Because I have some error into the line number 21. Why line number 21 I have an error? So basically we have done mistake here, right? So what is the mistake is we forget to mention a comma here, right? So that was the issue. So that is the reason we were getting that error, right? So what we will see here that we will try to compile now program, and you guys can see now we are able to. So I will clear all the things so that we can again compile it, and we will try to now run this program, right? So you guys can see here the value of Jan is in enum is 0, 3, 11, right? Why? Because by default we have assigned this 0 to Jan, then April will become 0, 1, 2, 3, right? And December will become 11. So how can we correct that? If we want to match it with the real world, we will simply assign 1 to this thing, right? So simply we are able to see the output like 1 for 12, right? So that is very easily to use enum, right? So for example, if I want to assign a character here, is that possible? My Jan is now character. So let me check that. So you guys can see now the enumerator value of Jan is not an integer constant, right? So I need to provide a integer value only. For example, if I try with the float value, so we can try that also. So we will see that is it work or not. No, that is not possible. Why? Because the thing is the value should be integer, right? So that is that here. So this is how we use this, and automatically we have a value of enum, right? So this is very important, right? So we can create a enum, and in that automatically we are able to use the month of years, right? If we do not have enum, we are not able to recognize that okay, we have a what is the number. If we want to store a variable, we have to use different variable, and then we need to remember that okay, we need to assign 8 to August, we need to assign a 10 to October. But here we just need to assign a first value to our Jan, and automatically it will get the value, and it will actually work as a constant, right? This thing is 1, April is 4, December is 12 basically. So these are not a variable basically, these are a constant. Instead of 1, we give it a name Jan, right? So that is the feature of enum, and we can use it in further programs like to handle days in a week, right? A week in a month, right? So the separate things we can use that in a C programming. So if you guys have any query, any question related to the enum, or you guys want an advanced program related to the enum, you guys please comment into the comment box, right? And we will take care of that, and we will create a separate video of that programs as well, right? So the guys who still not subscribe our channel, I just request you guys to please hit the red subscribe button below this video, right? And also hit the bell icon for the notification of upcoming videos, and share this channel with your friends and family, right? And comment about the video how you like this video, right? So thanks for watching. Have a very good day.